Transylvania County in western North Carolina, Jackson County in western North Carolina, southeastern Swain County in western North Carolina, southwestern Haywood County in western North Carolina, until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 4:36 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Franklin, moving northeast at 100 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Franklin, Silva, Colowee, Highlands, Maggie Valley, Walsen, Rosman, Webster, Dillsboro, and Casher. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for northeastern Georgia, western North Carolina, and upstate South Carolina. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Haywood, Jackson, Macon, Swain, and Transylvania. The severe thunderstorm warning for